Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue working with the tiers and the post. So now we're just going to create the forms for the new tier. So okay, let's just go to the tier folder and then create a new file. Then let's call this forms py. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to import the forms. Oops. The forms, and then let's import the models. Okay. Let's create our new class form. Stands for all form. So the first field will be the description. Let's open the models. We don't need a number because of course we generate that here. So we just need description, price, and key message. Description, char field, and then the widget is that widget forms that test input, and then we add this for the attributes, and then we just want to add a class to make this class, to make the input like unify with the front end. So materialize, let me check. Yeah, materialize test area. Test area. And then here, required true. Okay, let's go down. Now the price. We can just copy these. This whole thing. We can here. Here. That one's not a test area. That one, let's see. Type I don't know. Okay, just leave it empty. And then can message will be I need to delete this here. Boolean field. Oops. Require false. because this is where the user will decide which tier can message the user. So let's add a class meta model tier, and then here we add the fields, description, oops, price, and then can message. Save that. Now let's go to the template here, and then let's create a new template. So let's name this one new tier.html. This one, oops, it stands from base.html, and let's we don't need to load this static, so here block content, and then end block. So here let's put our form. We can just go here and let's see. Let's add a div here. Put it like that's 12 column. Let me see the index. Yeah, let's just copy this whole thing. We can just copy this whole thing. Paste it over here. That's for the card. This is for the offset, etc. Okay. So now here, let's add the form. Oops. Then let me see. Okay. Method post. Or pause, I don't know. Just can you just leave that one? Action, no, just leave that one. Form, it's a role form, and then is that a oops call S12. Okay, so now here let's put a title, right? New tier. We need to add the Django CRS token, cross forgery token. So let's copy this, paste it here. Now let's add the inputs. We don't need the row, we just copy this one. Let me see. Okay, let's add one that has like the icons and stuff. Where is it? Here. Okay, this one. S12, and then the icon. I see. attach money. Here we go. So this is the input here. So we replace this with the form dot price, and then paper price. Okay, first input, let's copy this one, paste it here. Description. We can find something for description. Yeah. Description. And now the message one. Let me see. Okay, message, and now here. Oops. Oh, this is. Can the user message? Or can message, whatever. Message. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we need to add the button. Let's go here. Components, buttons. Create. And then here, let's put add for the icon. Okay, let's save that now. Now let's create the forms for the post. So let's go and create a new file. Let's name this one forms, of course. Okay. And of course, from Django, import forms. Now let's import the post model. And now we need to import it's the input. Let me show you. Curl input, something like that. So yeah, for the forms, when we create the file, let me check. Yeah, we can add this. We can add these attributes, so we can make the font like multiple. So let's get this one. It's actually in forms, I think. So yeah, I think it's in forms. Yeah, we don't need to. No, whatever. Okay, so let's get the tiers. Tier the models import tier. Okay. Okay, let's create a new class for new post form. Oops, model form. Title, let's open this. Okay, here. Of course, let's put the title in the front. jar fill. Let me see. Let's just copy this one. And this one, let's put validate. Required true, of course. And put the content. Let's put file fill. And forms here. Let's check. Yes, now. Oops. The dot here, okay. Clearable file input, and then from attributes, let's add multiple true, because we want to be able to send multiple files. So required true. Okay. And now let's add the caption. Char fill. We get forms that test area, right? Let me check. Yep. And this one require two. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We need to change the other one. I think the other one is like test input. The tier. I think so. So tier. Because we want to choose when you create a new post, you want to choose for what tier is that post. So we need to model choice field, and then we add the query set here. So query set tier, the objects, just put all. Okay. That's the query set. For now, let's check. Oops. Model.post. Field, and now let's add the fields. Content. Okay. Okay, so we got the tiers. Let's save that, and now let's create a new template for the new post. So new post, okay, HTML. Okay, here we are. So now with we of course extends from base that HTML. Oops. Okay, extend from the HTML. Okay. Let's now let's add the content. Block content. Sorry, my computer is I think my computer is a little loud right now. Okay, so now let's go to the new tier. Let's basically copy all of this because it's kind of like the same thing. Just copy this, paste it here. So here we need to add NC type, and now let's add multiple part form data. Okay. New post, and then the first field it's check content, of course. So we don't need this, we need to okay, here let's go to the file. Okay, this is the file, this is the multiple file, so let's get this one. Okay, here. Paste it over here. Media. We can put media, right? Oh, media. Or media files. Okay. Okay. So this is let me see. Okay, so here in this one, form that content. Okay, this is for the content. See here. Okay, so call S12 content. Now the title. Let's see. I don't think we need. Yeah, let's put. Okay, title. Okay, now caption. Caption. And then okay, the tier select. Okay, here. So for the tier select, let me check. Well, it comes with a select by default. So I don't think that we need to go. Let's just copy this one. Oh, seriously. star rate. So tier, label for tier will be tiers select. Okay. So here let's add post. Let me see what icon we can find for post. Yeah, post that. Okay. Okay, so we got our post and tier forms and the HTML too. So in the next video, we're going to work with the views to make these posts work, right? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.